In this video, I'm going to be doing prime factorization. Prime factorization is a product of prime numbers, perhaps with some repetitions, resulting in a desired number. In other words, is when you find all the prime numbers that can be multiplied together to get the original number. I'm using 36 as my example, and there are multiple combinations that can result in the same prime factorization. So my first example of 36 is the way I personally would do it. When it's an even number, I always split it in half. So I end up with 2 and 18 as my factors of 36. Now the reason I always do this is that when I split it in half, one of my numbers, 2, will always be prime. I also circle my prime numbers as I go along, so not to confuse myself. 18 is also an even number, so I will split that in half again. 2 and 9. Circle my 2. Now 9 is not an even number, so I have to find two different factors for 9. I chose 3 and 3. Now 3 is a prime number, so I circle both of those. And since 1 is not a prime number, I cannot simplify my 3's, or find factors of my 3's. My other example of 36, I've chosen to use 6 and 6. These are not prime numbers, so I have to find factors of each of them. I chose to use 2 and 3 for both of my 6's, because I know that 2 and 3 are primes. So as I finish, I just go ahead and circle them. And using either example, I come out with the same prime numbers. Now to write this, there are two ways you can write your prime factorization. The first way is called standard form. So I would just write 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. My other way is exponential form, which is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2.